More than 10 passengers injured after bus plunges into precipice in St. Mary. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lugg. A very special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Also this evening, we will not be muzzled. Opposition members insist despite lawsuits, and later, renewed concerns about social cases at Cornwall Regional Hospital amid bed space shortage. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.